All right, guys, LP with S&W Service and Repair, and today we're going to go over some of the basics that you need to start an appliance repair business. One, you need some type of business structure, whether it's LLC or corporation. I hope you're not doing a sole proprietorship, but if you are, hey, more power to you. Number two, when you start the LLC, you need the NACA code, and it's going to be 811412. Don't believe me, do your research, but that's the one that I use. After you have all that, you need your business bank account. The LLC really doesn't start until after you open up a bank account. You're going to need commercial insurance also. So after you get your business bank account, you're going to need to get you some commercial insurance. This stuff is going to cost money, so you can't start this on a shoestring budget, okay, guys? After that, we're going to need some basic hand tools. You hadn't started working on appliances yet, but you're going to need some tools, because in the next few steps, you're going to start actually getting ready to break down some appliances. After the basic hand tools, you're going to need to figure out how you're going to get some lead generation. You're either going to grab something like Angie's List, Home Advisor, or you're going to do the warranty company route. Hey, it's up to you. All of them pay. You just have to know how to work them. Other than that, the next thing, you're going to need to either pick up some appliances off of off of Facebook Marketplace, off the side of the road, or you're going to need to go to class. You're going to need to get some type of formal education. Now, you can educate yourself, but if you want to fast track it, it's always quicker and easier to have somebody help you and walk you along the way. But you do not have to have that, okay? You don't. After you get some lead generation, I want you to all right, after you pick up some of these appliances, I want you to go ahead and join some of the Facebook groups and some of the YouTube channels like mine. So if you hadn't liked and subscribed, you should do that right now. So you can start building a sense of community and camaraderie with other guys that are on your same level, that you can help each other out, that you can pass knowledge back and forth, get some of the trade tips and tricks, and also just feel more confident in what you're doing and having somebody around you that can talk to you at your same level, okay? Not somebody who's way up here and you don't understand anything that they're saying. All right, after that, I want you to go ahead and pay for a site that helps you get those service repair manuals and tech sheets. That's really critical. Don't go around in these forums begging people and asking for someone to send you a tech manual. Like you're a business owner. Conduct yourself like you're a business owner, okay? After that, I want you to run your first service call. You need to have all these things done. You need to get your leads or your warranty company, and pretty soon you're going to start getting a little bit of business, and it might trickle in. But you need to get out there and just do it. You got to stop sitting on the bench. You got to tell coach to put you in the game. And when you get in the game, you got to be enthused about being in the game and getting knocked down. When you get out there, you're going to get hit. Those opposing players are going to hit you, and you have to get up. You have to be able to pick yourself up, pull yourself back together when you mess up, when you have a complete meltdown and failure. This is something that I want you to try and avoid by picking up some of these appliances off of Facebook Marketplace. But let me tell you, some of this stuff is unavoidable, man. You're going to have some things that you've never seen before. You're going to have some issues that you're going to run into, whether it's getting a dishwasher out and it doesn't want to come up over the tile, and you got to figure out how to do that. Let the legs down. Make sure you unlatch it from the countertop. There's so many different things that no one can give you everything that you're going to need. You're going to have to figure this out. You're going to build a plan while you're flying it. So I need you to get out there and run a few service calls so that you'll realize that you don't know crap. And then you're going to start learning. If you really want this, if you really want to make money in this appliance repair game, this industry, it's not a game, this business, then you're going to take the time and start to actually learn. But if you don't, we'll know real soon, and you will bow out and go to the left. And there's nothing wrong with that. Appliance repair is not for everyone. And appliance repair is not for everyone to be a business owner. There's going to be some instances that you might just want to be a tech. You might not want to deal with the back end paperwork. You might not want to deal with the long hours and then coming home to recalls, or coming home to invoices that need to be taken care of. You really have to understand all the dynamics of what's going on and what makes an appliance repair business run and run smoothly and run correctly. And there are always going to be problems that you're going to run into. Don't let anybody lie to you. Don't let anybody tell you. There are going to be a lot of heartache. There's going to be a lot of long nights that you are studying and trying to get better in this craft for the first 2-3 years. And honestly, it's forever. Appliances are always changing. You're going to have to change. It's going to have to be a lifelong commitment to learning, reading, understanding what's going on, why it's going on, how these appliances work. The basic theory is going to be the same, but they're going to throw some other things in at you. I think we have now like the GE ventless washer and dryer combos and stuff. So it's going to be a whole new world. I hadn't touched it. I don't know anything about it, but I'm telling you, it's probably like the Miele setup some type of way. And hey, we're going to have to learn it. We can't sit back and say we're just only going to work on the yellow stuff. So guys, this was just a quick overview of the things that you need to get done when you're starting your appliance repair business. Again, if you know anyone in the appliance repair business and they need a little help, you can always reach out to me in the comments below and I'll try to make a video specifically for what you're asking for. If not, then just keep watching this over and over until you get it. But I know you need somebody because you've built community over, just like I told you, in the Facebook groups and the YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you have a great day. Be successful, be great. I know this is a lot of information. Just rewind it, and I'll try to put these steps down off in the description of the video so that you don't have to keep rewinding it. You can just highlight them and paste them over on maybe one of your Excel spreadsheets or a Word document so that you can have them when you start. Now, when you look back at this little paper in 6 months, you'll ball it up, throw it away, because you won't need it, because you have put yourself in a position to learn and get in the game. All right, guys, once again, LP with S&W Service and Repair. Have a great day.